loves nature, so Glitter has challenged him to come up with a sparkly creation using things you can find outdoors. So Spike, what are we making today? Spike's glitter globe! To make our glitter globe, I'm going to use an all-recycled jar, some glitter, some leaves, twigs and a pine cone that I found outdoors, some water and a glue gun. Make sure you ask your grown-ups to use this for you. I'm going to start by gluing the pine cone onto the inside of the lid. Remember to ask a grown-up to do this for you. Great! Next, I'm going to fill my jar up with all my leaves and twigs that I found outdoors. Add the glitter, orange and purple, just like Spike. Some water. Then glue the lid onto the top of the jar using the glue gun once more. You may need to add more glue to make sure it's watertight. And there you have it! Wow, look! It's so glittery! And I can see all the twigs and the leaves that we put in there. Brilliant! What a great way of recycling an old jar. Thanks, Spike! And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?